Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home insurance with Allstate step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current home insurance policy. Review the coverage limits and deductibles. Identify any gaps or areas where you might be overinsured. Gather information on your home, including its age, condition, and safety features. Research discounts offered by Allstate. Many insurance companies provide savings for various reasons. For example, inquire about discounts for bundled policies. Consider combining your home and auto insurance for potential savings. Explore options for home security systems. Installing security features may qualify you for lower rates. Ask about claims-free discounts if you haven't filed any claims recently. Evaluate your home's risk factors like location and natural disasters. Ensure your home meets safety standards to mitigate risk. Reach out to an Allstate agent for personalized advice. Discuss your needs and get tailored recommendations. Compare quotes from other insurance providers. This will give you a clearer understanding of your options. Review the financial strength and customer service ratings of Allstate. A strong company can offer peace of mind for your investment. Finally, regularly reassess your coverage needs over time. This ensures you always get the best rates available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.